Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on investment properties with RealtyMogul, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding the importance of careful planning in real estate investments. Research the market to identify potential investment opportunities. Visit RealtyMogul's website to explore their platform and offerings. Create an account to gain access to their investment options. Review the available properties featured on RealtyMogul. Take note of the property details, including location, price, and projected returns. Evaluate the associated fees and costs for each property. Utilize the platform's tools to analyze cash flow projections. Consider factors such as property management and maintenance expenses. Compare different properties to identify those with the highest potential for returns. Connect with RealtyMogul's support team to clarify any uncertainties. Stay informed about current market trends that could affect your investments. Make use of educational resources offered by RealtyMogul to enhance your knowledge. Explore financing options available through RealtyMogul's network. Understand the benefits of crowdfunding real estate investments. Decide on the amount you wish to invest based on your financial goals. Begin the investment process by selecting a property you wish to fund. Complete the necessary documentation on the platform. Monitor your investment regularly to track performance. Join the RealtyMogul community for insights from other investors. Stay proactive in adjusting your strategy as necessary based on market changes. Utilize tax advantages associated with real estate investments to maximize savings. Review your investment portfolio periodically to ensure alignment with your objectives. Consider reinvesting returns to amplify your investment potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.